Fc01 X-15pm receiver / photosensitive FPC repair operation guide. Precautions. Damaged receiver FPC will cause problems such as disabled true tone and display, distance sensor failure as well as Face ID record error. The bound mobile phone needs to be unbound by flashing first. Connect mobile phone to computer and click Trust on it.
In the interface of iVice on the platform,
click Flash Unbind. Make sure that the data is backed up. Make sure that the iCloud account of the phone is logged out. Click Auto Flash Unbind. It displays, flashing and unbind has been completed. The phone is in recovery mode currently. Need to flash with the third-party platform, 3U Tools iTunes. The damage of receiver FPC will lead to abnormal Face ID recording. Online operation. Connect AS receiver detection adapter to Fc01. Connect Fc01 and mobile phone to computer. Click Trust on the mobile phone. Connect the AS receiver FPC of the same model on the corresponding socket of the adapter. Click Detect FPC on computer. It's detected as AS receiver FPC. Click Activate FPC. It will detect mobile phone data automatically. After selecting the data, click Activate FPC. When it shows activation succeed, install it in mobile phone and check whether it has been repaired. Offline operation. The account needs to be bound before the standalone operation of Fc01. To operate offline, the Fc01 needs to be linked to account and be connected with network. Supply power to and turn on Fc01. Then connect the receiver adapter to it. Connect AS receiver FPC on the corresponding socket of the adapter. After capturing data, click Bind. After selecting the data, click Insert. After activating, install it in mobile phone. Install for testing. Install after the FPC is assembled. There is True Tone display. Boot up the phone. Start to record Face ID. Face ID is recorded normally. Repair is done.